Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Hey there, WatchWire News crew. We've got some fascinating tech news for you today. Apple fans just discovered a hidden feature on their gadgets that's been around since 2018, but still flying under the radar. Imagine being able to chat with your friends in real time without even picking up your phone. Sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, it's not as far-fetched as you think. According to reports, this walkie-talkie function on Apple Watches has been rediscovered by a TikTok user who shared a video showing off the feature. The clip quickly went viral, with over 231,000 views in just a few short hours. We're talking instant communication, no phone calls required. It's like having your own personal walkie-talkie on your wrist. Now, this might sound like something you'd only use if you were at a kid's birthday party, but trust us, the tech behind it is solid. The feature was introduced by Apple in June 2018 and has been available for most Apple Watch models running watchOS 5.5 or later. It's not just limited to close proximity either. As long as you both have an internet or cellular connection, you can chat away. The best part? This tech has been around for years, and some users are still amazed they didn't know about it sooner. One user joked that if only they knew about this feature back in the day, they would have bought an Apple Watch years ago. Talk about a missed opportunity. But don't worry, we won't leave you hanging. The walkie-talkie function is actually pretty easy to use once you get the hang of it. You just need an Apple Watch Series 1 or newer, and both you and your friend need Apple Watches with watchOS 5.5 or later. Once you've added a contact through the walkie-talkie app, you can start chatting, no phone calls required. Now that we've got the basics covered, let's talk about when to use this feature. While it's convenient, there is one caveat. You need to turn it off when it's not in use to avoid any unexpected interruptions. So, before you head out into the wild, make sure to disable it. Don't want your friends showing up at your doorstep unannounced. That's all for today's WatchWire News, a quick rundown on Apple's hidden walkie-talkie feature that's been hiding in plain sight all these years. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you next time.